Congratulations on your new e-bike with the Bosch Smart System. With this step-by-step video guide, we'd like to give you some tips and information to help you get the most out of your e-bike. Let's get started. First, we'll show you the key components and functions of your e-bike. The drive unit is the centerpiece of your e-bike. It's the motor that supports you while you ride. The drive unit gets its power from the battery. This largely determines how far you can ride. You can use the control unit to change riding modes and operate the display. There are several control units from Bosch. For example, the system controller, the LED remote, or the mini remote. Some of them also have an integrated display. Our displays provide a suitable companion for your ride. They show you important information, like current speed, the battery charge level, and remaining range. You can also use your smartphone as a display. The eBike Flow app is the core of our smart system. It enables a better, safer, and more convenient riding experience. The app is available free of charge. Download it in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store to utilize the full potential of your e-bike. That's it for the components. Now let's move on to a few key things you should know before you hop on your bike. Let's take a look at the battery. There are various types of batteries, which are installed differently depending on the e-bike. In this video, we're focusing on a model with an integrated battery. You can charge your battery when it is still inserted in your e-bike's frame, or separately if the battery is removable from the frame. To remove it, open the frame cover on your e-bike. Next, unlock the battery using the supplied key. Then press the battery down gently to completely remove it from the frame. The battery is now ready to be charged. Now switch on your e-bike using the control unit and choose a riding mode. Each mode gives you the support you currently need, and the LED color shows which one you're in. Green stands for Eco Mode, perfect for getting started. Helmet on, and you're ready to ride. So, what's important to know while riding your e-bike? With most e-bikes, you still shift the gears yourself. Low gears are perfect for starting off or for ascents, while the higher gears are better for flat stretches and higher speeds. E-bikes are generally heavier than normal bikes and accelerate faster. Be sure to set off slowly and take your time to get a feel for how the brakes work. Now we will show you some helpful functions that come with your e-bike. Walk assistance makes it easier for you to move your e-bike, especially uphill. Additionally, the Hill Start Assist lets you move off with more control, and the Hill Hold function prevents your e-bike from rolling backwards on a slope. With the eBike Flow app, you can protect your e-bike additionally, customize it, plan routes, navigate precisely, and install new features. You can also manage how much battery you want to arrive with. For peace of mind when parking, you even lock your e-bike digitally using your display or your smartphone as a key. With a Flow Plus subscription, you get additional benefits like premium theft protection or family and friends sharing. Find out how to easily connect your e-bike to your smartphone in our how-to videos on YouTube. To make sure you can enjoy your e-bike for as long as possible, let's wrap up by taking a look at proper e-bike care. Regular cleaning keeps your e-bike in top shape. Always remove the battery and display beforehand, and use a soft, slightly damp cloth to gently clean your e-bike. We recommend an annual check by your specialist dealer, and if you ever have questions, they're the best people to help. For that, the eBike Flow app reminds you of upcoming service appointments in good time. And that brings us to the end of this step-by-step video guide. If you'd like to find out more or have any further questions, please visit our help center or watch additional helpful videos on our YouTube channel. So now, hop on, ride off, and feel the flow.